Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to log to another Instagram account without the password. So if you want to log into another Instagram account without the password, your options are limited to Instagram's security measures. However, here are some few methods you can try to log in your Instagram without a password. So the first method is to log in with Facebook if your Instagram and Facebook are linked together. So if the Instagram account is linked to Facebook account, you can log using Facebook. So open the Instagram app, then tap log in with Facebook. Then if the Facebook account is linked, it will log you in automatically. Then also you can request for a log link. So that means you have to forget password method. So forget password method. So if you have access to the email or phone number linked to the account, open the Instagram app to go to Instagram login, then tap forget password for trouble login on Android. Then also enter the your username, the email or phone number linked to the particular account. Then Instagram will send a log link via the email or SMS or through the number. It depends on the one you provided. Then after that, click the link to log in without entering a password. Then after that, you can check save the password. So if previously logged in, so you can simply check the password. So to apply this method, so if you logged in before and save the password on your phone or browser, so on iPhone settings, just go to password, then click on Instagram, then it will log you in. But if it is on Android, just go to Chrome settings, then password and Instagram, then to generate the password for you. Or if it is on PC, so if you use Chrome on PC, go to settings, click on autofill, then the password will autofill himself. So that means you use the inbuilt system settings of the software to save the password. So whenever you want to log in next time, you don't have to input your password. So just click on autofill, then it will generate and fill the password for you without you have to press it by yourself. But make sure this is saved before you can use. You have to apply it. You have to save it before you can now autofill it. And also, if that doesn't work, just contact the account owner, or you can just try and get in touch with the account owner if you are not the owner. But if you are the owner of the account, then definitely you should be able to provide all this. So unfortunately, also, if without any access, the link